Ah, shit. Alright, you do.
Okay, go.
I don't know how to start off, though. How do you do it?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Do I start off my name?
Yeah.
Y'all better do this, too. All you niggas.
Ah, fool, are you gonna do it or not?
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna start over. 1, 2, 3.
Why do people find bi chicks interesting?
God damn it.
He's already doing it!
What am I doing? Wow, I'm just sitting here.
Alright, starting from the front, got Primo Sam Scotch bars. Got some Colt Van grips with some animal bar ends. And have an animal top load stem with an E-clat headset. Fiend forks. Bandero front hub with the Odyssey hazard loop. And got BSD hub guard, animal pegs. I just recently got the Fit Wi-Fi frame
How long ago?
today. Got the Fit key guard sprocket 25 tooth, profile cranks, Fit bottom bracket, mid, Odyssey JC PC pedals, and kink seat.
Did your dog chew it?
Yeah. And in the back I got an animal javelin loop laced to an animal javelin hub. Used to be blue but painted black.
Why?
Got an S&M hub guard.
Angel's close-up portrait.
Why you go from that to me? That was dirty.
To the bike. Get it?
Oh, that's the target.
Okay, finish it off.
Oh, with the tires? Fit
What kind of
FAF
chain are you
tires,
rocking?
2.25.
Like I said, what kind of chain are you rocking? Is that new Kink Invisible chain? Invisible? That's how you pronounce it. It's, they have a chain, but it's just not there. It's invisible. See-through. A really see-through chain. Ow! You're a black guy, bro.
Say goodbye.
So how long have you not washed your bike?
My wheel's pretty dirty.
Your wheels, just your wheels.
Dirty. Oh, hell no.
What kind of headset?
E-clat,
What color?
dark blue.
Blue.
Why?
Is there a specific shade of blue? Just blue?
I don't know. It's just blue.
Just blue. What stem is that?
Them half caps?
Stem? What kind of stem?
Animal top
Okay,
load.
go buzz, because well, you have to promote. Go.
But
Some writing.
I don't even have a chain.
Doesn't matter, bro. Free coaster. Go.
It's all over me. Wow!
All right.
And here we are trying to watch Angel do shit without a chain. Attempt number 1 at what are you gonna try to do?
So what are you doing for us today?
Do a 360. Do a 3 shitty.
Too
Right,
shitty.
So what are you doing, bro?
How about
Have you guys seen the new PS4? That shit looks awesome.
hell no, I should have.
Wow.
Yeah, better than the Xbox One.
Nah, that kind of looks like the Xbox One.
Nah,
The
Xbox One.
is fat and stupid looking.
What is it? Xbox One?
Xbox One. 2.
How about 180 to fakey then nose?
180 to fake, you have to do that anyway. Might as well just do it without pedaling backwards. Oh, what a beast. Attempt number 1.
man.
With that 180 fakie to nose plant on the sidewalk. Swerve. And
Say
here we go.
something.
At attempt
So-
number 2. Hopefully we catch meat shit. It'll be fun, eh? For the Vendetta blog. Go Vendetta. Yeah!
I have no chain to like
Just like I
keep me
predicted.
from.
Can I try?
Okay.
If I eat shit, then
This be
your excuse
Butters.
is invalid. Here we go. Attempt number 1. Using a stranger's bike. 360. Attempt number 1. No chain. Dude. So what's that? Ow! Oh! Hit my knee.
Hey. Martian.
Without a chain, I think not.
Wow.
Wait.
You got this, bro.
Not down. Angel, you're up. Show us those bar spins you've been getting.
I don't know what else to do with that chainless.
I want to do something. Hold it. Try.
So what do you call that?
He already hit himself.
Went, went. So how does it feel? Mr. Acevedo, Mr. Acevedo, this is me with TMZ. How does it feel to ride a bike that's not yours? How does it feel? Do you feel awesome? Yeah, there we go, that's what we want to see. Yeah! Alright, back to you, Harvey Levin.